Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add and crop images in your spreadsheet. So let's get straight into it. Now let's head over here to the insert menu at the top and select image. Where it is, right here. Now you have here two options. So we have insert image in cell, insert image over cell. So image in cell, this will basically image stays inside the cell. It will automatically resize, move or filter along with that specific row. Image over cells, the image floats on top of the grid. This is best for logos, dashboards, or any visual that needs to be moved freely across columns. Okay, so if I select image in a cell, now what we need to do is just okay, find something from the internet. Let's say this one. Okay, insert, and as you can see, we have now the image right in the cell. So let me okay, let's do it again. Image insert like that. No, thank you. And yeah, as you can see, it's right over here. Okay. Um, Alright, so since the standard toolbar lacks a crop tool for image already on the sheet, we can use different method. So go to the insert and then to the drawing is right over here. Now click on the image icon in the drawing window to upload your photos. So right here at the top, this toolbar here at the last one. Now the same eagle. This one here. Insert, just like that. Now, as you can see, image is already selected. What we can do here, we can press here the crop image, and now we can play with a crop however we want. We want like something like that. What we can also do, you see here this small arrow next to the crop, so you can basically change to shape, arrow, callouts, equations. So you can play with this one here, or you can use it like this one and move image, or you can use something like that. Alright, so when you are happy with that, just click at the top right corner, save and close, and image will be right over here. And now we can move this image freely on this spreadsheet. So yeah, this is basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.